Hello Libra, how are you? Oh, welcome to my channel, and welcome to your reading. So, Libra, this is your reading for the month of July 2021, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. Okay, also, Libra, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. Libra, I would also request you to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Libra, there is an extended reading to this one, and if you are interested in the same, if you are excited to know what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and your person, then go ahead and check out the extended reading. The link for the same is provided in the description box. The link for the same is provided in the comments section. You can click on that link and it will lead you to the Vimeo platform. Make sure you follow me on Vimeo just the way you follow me on YouTube. Okay, now as far as this reading on YouTube is concerned, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent the energy of the person you are thinking about, you are dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Thereafter, I'm going to pull out some oracle cards, and with the help of oracle cards, we'll see what your person, what is the guidance that is available to you in terms of love or in general guidance. Okay. Then at the very fag end, we'll pull out some love notes, and with the help of love notes, we'll see what your person was truly thinking and feeling about you, especially during separation. Okay. All right, Libra, let's get started now. Okay, so we have as Queen of Cups, then we have as the Ace of Cups, then we have as the Wheel of Fortune, then we have is Six of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Two of Wands. Mutual energy is that of the Strength, and Two of Cups. You may be seeing a lot of 222. Let's pull out the guidance cards as well. So what is the guidance available for Libra for the month of July? Spirit, what is the guidance available for Libra for the month of July? Spirit, what is the guidance available for Libra for the month of July? What is the guidance available for Libra for the month of July? Spirit, please tell me. And we have is ease, then we have is energetic clearing, then we have is delusion, and we have is allowing. All right, so let's talk about the guidance cards later on. Let's talk about the tarot cards first. So Libra, you may be dealing with a Leo, you may be dealing with a Sagittarius. Okay, you may be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay, I'm hearing another Libra. So fine, if the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. Okay. Strong presence of water sign though. So we have Queen of Cups, Ace of Cups, and Wheel of Fortune. So intuitively, Libra, before I dive into what the cards are saying, what I feel intuitively is that July is going to be the month where you will experience some happy moments. Then you will experience like if you were expecting certain things to happen. Okay, those things, whatever is going to happen, it will happen over and above or beyond the expectations in some cases, whereas in some cases whatever you had expected, probably you will not achieve or you will not get 100%, but you may get 50% or 60% or something like that. Okay, So I see that in some areas there is going to be greater happiness, whereas in some areas, I'll not say you will be happy. Okay, I'm not going to say that you will be disappointed or something like that. You will be happy, but you will not get whatever was expected. Okay, there will be your wishes will get fulfilled but less than expected. But whereas in some of the cases, if you wanted certain things to happen, you will get much more and above and beyond what was expected. Okay, so if you wanted certain things to happen with 100% results, you will get 200%, 300% outcome. Okay, so I see that's a dual that's how you're going to experience. There will be a dual experience, okay, in terms of expectations. Otherwise, I see that for some of you, some inheritance is going to come towards you, and it's going to be huge. For some of you, love is looking very good. Okay, it may happen that for some of you, few of you, you will seal the deal by the end of July. Okay, you will start finding comfort in someone. Okay, it is looking like it may turn into a long-term relationship. What I'm sensing is there is a shift that is coming in your love life. There is a shift that is coming on an overall basis. Some of you may get relocated somewhere. Okay, relocation is looking very prominent, especially for people who are doing job. Okay, and people who are holding good positions. For them, relocation is looking very prominent. uh, yeah, I mean, especially those who are into managerial positions or similar, a similar thing, right? So relocation is looking very prominent. Relocation may also happen for education. Okay, and the shift in the energy that is going to happen because of this relocation, it will lead you to meet someone new in your life. Okay, for some of you, you may also meet someone new during traveling. And also, Libra, especially if you wanted certain things to happen since a very long time. Say for example, you're fighting a litigation suit since a very long time, since many years. Okay, finally there will be an outcome regarding that litigation suit, and it will go in your favor. Okay, so this was an overall energy. That's what I'm sensing. Now let's come back to the cards. Okay, so we have as Queen of Cups, we have Ace of Cups, and we have Wheel of Fortune. So Libra, you're trying to think about all of your past relationships so far. Okay, you are probably even comparing your past partners, and you're trying to see who was standing out the most, or who is standing out the most. Okay, you're trying to see who was the best among us, the entire lot. And you're doing this activity consciously, you're doing this subconsciously, because what is happening is, only because of that, only after comparison, things are becoming much more clearer with respect to your recent past person. Okay, so like if you had an ex 10 years ago, and if you had another ex 5 years ago, and then if you had this third ex, the recent past one, what you're doing is you're comparing all three of them. And then you are like, who was very nice to you, who was very loving and caring towards you, or who was the worst, who was the bad guy. Okay, and that is bringing you much clarity regarding your own expectations as well. Like if you want to accept your past person back, or if you want a new love in your life, what is it that you really want in this new person, or what is it that you really want your past person to work upon? right? So comparison is bringing much more clarity for you, and when it comes to your love relationships, or it's bringing clarity in what you want in your partner, right? And I'm also sensing, Libra, that there is a possibility that you may become pregnant in the month of July. Okay. A new love is looking, it's like a new love is around the corner. You may meet this new love, like I told you, right? You may meet someone during traveling. You may meet this person at a workplace as well. If you're getting relocated somewhere else, you may find a new love over there. Okay, but there is a very high probability of new love popping up in your life. For some of you, a past person may also come back. In that case, I see you guys are having a choice, Libra. You are having a choice. Okay. And Libra, you do love your past person a lot. Let's not deny that. You still have a lot of love for your past person. What I see is that, of course, you're holding yourself back because of whatever experience you have had with your person. But you haven't given up on your past person totally. It's like if your person comes back correct, if they are looking sincere and honest, and if they show that they are willing to work on this connection, then I definitely see that there is a very high probability of reigniting this connection. You're completing a cycle with them. There is a change that is expected in when it comes to your love life in the month of July. Okay. And like I'm telling you, either your past is coming back, you are reuniting with that person, you're reigniting this connection with that person, or a new person is popping up in your life. But I see your love life, if it was stagnant so far, there is going to be action in your love life. Okay. If it was extremely dull and boring so far, nothing was happening, then I see a big shift happening in the month of July. Okay, so either it's a reunion or either it's a new person, and you're starting with that relationship. Okay, I don't see a pause in your love life anymore. Right. So as far as your person is concerned, Libra, okay, we have a six of swords, then we have a 10 of pentacles, and we have is 3 of wands. Your person always wanted to marry you, Libra. Okay, your person always and always and always they wanted to marry you. They had envisioned you in their future. They had envisioned a family with you. They had envisioned having kids with you. They had envisioned growing old with you. Okay, they always thought that this is an extremely abundant and extraordinary relationship, and life with them, and like I mean, this connection was a blessing for both of you. Okay, at least during the initial stages of this connection. Your person, you may not be aware, even energetically probably you may not have felt, but your person has moved away from the difficult waters. Okay, if there was, I'm sensing that because we have the 6 of swords next to the 10 of pentacles, so if this your person was married, or if they were in a long-term committed relationship, this person has definitely moved away from that marriage or moved away from that committed relationship. Okay, it's a very 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 strong and a clear indication that they have moved away from the marriage. Okay, especially if this guy was married, if this guy or the girl, okay, if they were married, they have moved away from that. They have moved away because of course they love you, but they were also not happy in that connection. If there was a third party, the third party is no more. Okay, they are cleansing their life so that it will become easier for them to come towards you, Libra. Okay, they're removing things so that it will only become easier and easier to come towards you. This person, they wants to come towards you and they want to make an offer. The intention is at least to come towards you and to make an offer. But let me tell you, I'm also sensing a very strong energy of a new person popping up in your life, and this can be a soulmate as well. Okay, a soulmate. Where, and if this next person, now let me tell you, Libra, what I'm hearing is whether it is reigniting this connection with the old person, or whether it is a connection with a new person. I'm sensing that you are getting into a long-term relationship in this relationship. I mean, you are getting into uh, a long-term commitment by way of this relationship. Okay, so it's, for some of you it may turn into marriage. So you may get married with this person or with a new person. So whosoever is going to be the next. Okay, so whether it is a relationship with the past person or whether it is a relationship with a new person, it will lead to a long term commitment, or it will lead to marriage. For majority of you, I'm sensing marriage is going to happen, or at least you're going to seal the deal by the end of 2021, and you may get married in next year. Okay, right. So let's see what do we have in mutual energy. We have is the strength and two of cups. Yes, love that was not expressed, the deep love that was not expressed. Okay, in the past, Libra, this deep love that was not expressed, it will be expressed very soon. Libra, you love your person a lot, and your person also loves you a lot. But this deep love was never expressed, and now it will be expressed. Okay, now it will be expressed, and there will be a very strong willingness to work on this connection, a very strong willingness to work on this connection from both the ends. I'm getting a very strong energy that this connection will get reignited, Libra. A very strong possibility that this connection will get reignited. Okay, at least both of you want that. Okay, all right, Libra, if this resonates, go ahead and check out the extended reading. The link for the same is provided in the description box. The link for the same is provided in the comments section. You can click on that link and it will lead you to the extended reading on Vimeo platform. What do we see in the extended reading? What are the true and the deep feelings of your person for you? We also see what action they will take towards you. What is the likely conclusion between both of you? I also advise you regarding your love, your life, your money, your career. Okay, so if you're interested, go ahead and check out the same. The links are provided in comments section and also in description box. Okay, all right, so let's check out the guidance cards. So it's a very strong message, Libra, that allow this connection to happen. Okay, allow the connection to happen. Go with the ease. Okay, don't try to control anything, or don't try to control anyone. If you're thinking that this connection will not work out, probably it's a delusion. For some of you, it's a very strong indication that this connection is meant to happen. This message is probably, I'm feeling this is specifically for your person, energetic clearing. They are surrounded by some negative forces, and your person gets they were influenced in the past because of these negative forces. Okay, and these negative forces, they want to keep you and your person away. So either you or your person, you need to distance yourself from these negative forces. You need to cleanse your energy from, okay, you need to cleanse your energy, because once upon a time these negative forces, they impacted you or your person, right? So that's the guidance. And let's see now the love notes, what your person was thinking and feeling about you, especially during separation. Okay, now take how it resonates. Some of the cards may look like what they were thinking and feeling about you. Some of the cards may look like what you are thinking and feeling about them. Okay, all right, so let's see now what your person was thinking and feeling about you. All right, I'll read it out now. You always know what I'm thinking. You're honest with me. You know how to put me first. In my dreams, I always see you. You find my weird habits adorable. Your fantasies blend with mine. I see your face every time when I close my eyes. You're always there when I need you. You are my inspiration. You always surprise me in nice ways. Wow. You bring peace to me. You have magic hand that can fix everything. Your dreams are my dreams. You treat me like a princess or a prince. You are my other half. Wow, this person thinks that they're already married to you. You are my strength. Yes, we also had a strength card, right? You're my strength. They consider you as their strength. Alright, Libra, I hope this resonates. Please hit like, share, and subscribe and comment down below. If you're interested, go ahead and check out the extended reading. Okay? Bye bye then.